What is up, YouTube? AVI back with another video, and unfortunately it's another sad video where this one, as mentioned in the Lightning video, this Mustang is also being sold for the single car that is coming to the channel that you guys don't know anything about. And look who's here with us.
Hey.
Dave is back. He's here to see it for the final time. So yeah, again, reasons as to why I'm selling the Boss. Similar to the Lightning is I think I drove this thing maybe 100 miles in the last year, and it needs to go to a good home that's going to drive it and use it as it should be intended to use it for. We haven't done anything to it. It was bone stock. It's still bone stock. So we're definitely going to miss it, but it's time to move on to something, like I said, a little more sophisticated and easier to be driven around town and less loud and obnoxious. You know, the wife doesn't love that. So, but yeah, here's the Laguna Seca for the memories. We hope you guys, are excited for the new video to come to the channel. But for now, say goodbye to the Boss Laguna Seca for the final time. Maybe one day another one will be joining. Maybe, probably not. We'll see. But we loved it. Dave maybe is going to be driving it home.
I wish I could have bought it from Tim, but I can't do that right now.
Yeah.
I wish it would have stayed in the channel. But
That's okay. One time we have the VIN. Maybe I'll track it down in a couple years. Yeah, say goodbye. Hope you guys aren't too sad, but make sure to subscribe and see what is coming to the channel next. And just like that, AVI out.